I'm here to show you and tell you exactly what an NFT is. What is this NFT everyone keeps talking about? Before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this education purpose only. So let's rock and roll. So guys, what is an NFT? I'm over on OpenSea.io, which is one of the most popular marketplaces. And what I want to do is I'm just going to click on Azuki. Okay, if you're brand new here and you don't know what an NFT is, I'm about to explain it to you. I'm going to do it by showing you one of the greatest NFTs there is. So for example, let's click on this one. Now, at first glance, Azuki #1535 is the name of the NFT. You would think this is just an image, right? Am I right? Let me know in the comments if you think this image is worthless. Okay, I could tell you a reason why you can see this number, $23,725 at the current price for this image, right? So what an NFT is, and there's plenty of other markets, an NFT is a non-fungible token. So this token right here cannot be funged, okay? It cannot be changed, it cannot be adapted. This is a one of its own. Now, the reason this happens, okay, is if you actually go down here, you will see these transfers that are happening, okay? This NFT has been transferred and people are paying big money because once on the blockchain, it's completely unique. Now, to make it even simpler, these are based off cryptographics, all right? They're cryptocurrency, but as an image. It's still on a blockchain, still decentralized, okay? And it's unique to you and your wallet. So now that you know the initial steps of what an NFT is, you can start to understand that it's a lot more than just this image, because behind the image is a code, okay? People can code behind the image and this will allow you to do things. For example, clicking on more NFTs. These NFTs here have a code behind them, okay, that allow you to enter their Web3 space and play a game. It allows you to do different things, utility. If you've ever been to a festival, a music festival, a concert, and you have to scan a QR code, that is an NFT. Apart from with that, the adaptation that can be screenshotted and still used. Now with this, you can't screenshot this because it's the code that you're using. The image is just a front, okay? So that's why it's non-fungible. Now the majority of NFTs actually lie on the Ethereum blockchain, okay? A distributed public ledger that records transactions. So NFTs are actually valuable tokens with information stored on them. Guys, there's hundreds of thousands, literally millions of NFTs. Now there's not just OpenSea with Ethereum. We have places like Magic Eden, okay, for the Solana chain. Now there's loads more, but I'm just showing you two of the main ones where you can go through the NFTs on here, okay? It's the same setup with a marketplace, but you can get to see. So clicking on one of these NFTs, for example, now this obviously looks like a drawing, but it has data stored on it. Now that's the clever part about NFTs. They store data. Now, one of the most powerful things people use for NFTs is having the power over a platform. So say, for example, if I bought this NFT, I don't know the origins of this particular NFT, but if I bought this one and the code in between it allows me to have access to a platform, that's a utility and it's very, very powerful, whether it's education or whether it's gaming, things like that, okay? Leading on to gaming, there's many NFTs. Now, let me show you a real cool example of one. So the NFTs of Zed Run, okay, are these horses and they are fantastic, all right? I actually have a couple myself. And what it is, it looks just to you like an image of a horse. But like I said, in the code in between this, okay, when you come over to Zed Run, you go to sign in, it's gonna make you sign in with your NFT. Now, once you're in here, you can actually take part in horse races, okay? Fantastic horse races. You can breed your horses. You can do everything, okay? You can sell these horses, race them, everything. And that's all from this one image, okay? Which people think is just an image, but has a code behind it. That code is unique to that horse and will be on here. So if you want to buy the best horse, you need to buy the best horse with the code behind it. So you can see what I'm trying to say here, guys. Now, NFTs are super popular now, but they've actually been around since around 2015. It just wasn't very popular then because we didn't honestly believe the adaptation that it could take. But now we can see everybody getting on board. We have Nike, we have Adidas, Disney, all these big companies get on board with their NFTs because it is very, very efficient in the way they work. Not only that, but the creators of art, okay? We're talking about buying NFTs, but the actual creators of NFTs can add royalties into the code. So every single time an NFT is sold, that creator will get money. Now, for example, my iPhone, if I was to sell this iPhone to you for £100, I would get £100. And then you sell it to someone else for 1,000, I get nothing. I've just kept my £100, but you got 1,000. With NFTs, this has a code in it that every time it gets sold for infinity, I will get 10% of the income. Now, that's a very powerful stance to have for artists that never used to have this. Imagine how many times the Mona Lisa was sold and the artist never got them royalties, okay? That's what you've got with NFTs. So guys, I really hope that this gives you an overview of what an NFT is. There is a lot more in depth, trust me, but keep on this channel, you'll start to learn a lot more. But do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.